Gracie was like, make sure you have a stand for it. I'm like,
I told you to stand like 2 weeks ago.
okay, but I only picked it up when I picked it up. Right.
That's why I asked you if you needed help.
You're good with it, that's fine.
Not trying to tabletop you. I'll tabletop you after the game.
Tabletop and Gracie.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Hey Quinn, that's your game.
Get it back. Did exactly what Quinn did.
Come on, use that.
Yeah, Lino.
Show me your hot. Who the fuck is handling?
Lino, that's a great cut.
All inside, all inside.
Think out.
Yes! Riley, now settle into the gun.
Settle into the gun. Why are we going open side?
That's break side.
That was break side.
Oh, was it? Okay.
That was break side.
I mean, I would rather see Fritz play around there and let a cutter come on.
Agreed.
Why is it
He caught the...
Oh, I see.
Clear hard. Go around. Inside.
You're hot. Come on, Fritzy.
With Quinn, with.
Yeah, Lino.
Yeah.
Nice job, Sing.
Yeah, Fritz.
Go score, Cannon.
Big, good. Come two. Nice, Cannon. Chili.
Yes, I'll tell you.
Everybody out. There we go. Good job,
You understand it. Well, that's how insulated it is. You work both ways, but it's just a one-way insulator. Wouldn't the water have to be... Wouldn't the water have to be like that? So thin. It's so that I don't absolutely use my... Up! Inside. Run.
I love it.
Hey, no round.
Riley, get aggressive here. Come on. Quit chasing. Don't look.
Up!
Put him up.
Yeah! Yes, go, Riley!
Yes, Riley. Now relax. Relax in your spot. Offense. Oh, that's when we want you to stay there.
Turn!
Undi. Get back, Will.
Who's got him, Bela? You need to get the deep guy.
Bela, get the... Up!
Who had the deep?
Around here we call that.
Shut up, Quinn. Every single we
You said we've all been there. Timmy and I are on this sideline.
You're not playing.
Nice.
Get there, Andrew!
That was a beautiful day.
Timmy has given me more heart attacks than anything in my entire life.
Oh,
My eyes are sensitive to the sun.
oh yeah? Oh, dude. Up! Oh, he should have...
Ollie!
Turn!
And you're 11. You got Ollie free!
Up! Yeah.
Nice job, you two.
So good.
Yeah, Bela, go.
What are you seeing?
Bela.
Yes, Ollie!
See, Riley. No. See Fritz. He's wide open, Will. Yep. Hashtag train your cutters. Fritz is wide. I know. Go, Brian.
Good work, Gracie.
Thank you.
Let's go, boys.
Ollie, I really thought you and Fritz were going to turn the disc over.
Yeah.
You're free. All right, George. Good.
With George. Suck in. All around.
Yeah, hot.
All around.
Looking. Oh! Right.
Yeah, technically.
Up. Get under it. Back. What are you doing?
Yes, Trevor. Good pressure.
Wait, what's this happening?
Just decided to not leave the disc and go too close to it.
Side.
Yes, Jace!
Yes, he is.
Jace!
That was a good one. I juiced that one really bad.
God damn. Don't worry about it. Did everybody in College Ultimate forget how to use their fucking hands? Strike. Good. Steal. Yeah. Out, Fritzy.
All inside.
Looking.
Jake.
Around.
Yeah, George!
Yeah, George!
Nice push pass, Jace, I see you.
Up! Quinn, help!
Not in. What? I've never seen Jace get cocky before. I like this.
Another second and I wait. That's fine. And if I don't get you the first time. After another second, yeah. And I can wait.
Take pose!
Yes, Jake. Oh, shit. George. Help. Turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was just a shit throw.
Let's go! We got lucky that Lino is actually ready to attack the disc.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. If you guys are playing, he has everything. I'm like, okay, don't go other than
Under. You're hot, Tom. You're hot.
I don't think you can touch me. I was like, that's. I was like, hi. I was like, I can hold my own.
Hey, watch the
As soon as you
force.
come into me, I can drop.
Yeah.
Forcing.
Will!
Lock down.
I don't want a profile. Looks soft to me. Yeah, Will. Good work, Quinn.
Keep moving this way.
Fritz. Quinn, out.
Oh, nice try, George.
Hey, you're hot, Bela.
Quinn, come on the in.
Up. Watch the force.
Yeah, Fritz. Right there.
No run.
Okay with that.
Under. Hey. Shut that down. Up.
Way too casual.
Watch.
Up.
What the? Come on, Will.
Oh,
That was just a drop.
did you catch it?
That was just a drop. Watch it be like we staying cool on a fall.
Oh, they're talking.
I'm not gonna. I think we're watching.
Yeah, Tyler.
I prefer
Woo!
This is crazy. Hey.
Come here. Trapping.
All you. Bela, hard on it. Yep. Nothing deep, Will.
Fritz. Right.
Call 8.
Under
Call
Quinn.
9.
Up.
George!
Yeah, George!
What?
Look like
Chili. Yes, Jace. Yes, Jace. Under Will. You're beautiful. Back to Jace.
That's literally never good.
Someone go D.
Yeah, Top. Great timing, Top.
Chili. See Jace. Yes.
I was like,
Hey, to the end zone.
See
Bela. Strike! Hey, end zone. Set it. Well.
Yeah, most of everything in the Quinn.
Get it, Quinn!
how can I give Bela a throwaway and Fritz the goal?
Go throw away there, D.
Nice Lino.
Hey, Micah.
Yes, Jace.
Get there, Ollie.
oh my God!
What? Thanks, Quinn.
Really? Like, I can't cause a fair amount.
Hey, Ollie.
See Fritz. Clear.
Nice.
Go two.
Yes! That's what I would do personally. That's because I'm an asshole, and I think that Ready top. On top.
Yeah. Middle. Cuts now. Ben, I like the position. Good. Yeah, why not? Yes, Quinn.
Woohoo!
He called up.
Good call, Lino. Not in. Traffic, force back here.
Yeah, look up your open throwers, your open cuts. Love that.
Yeah, Quinn. Hands on me.
Those are what we call freebies. Quinn ready. Get in the deep space.
Not looking, Quinn, not looking.
There you go. Top width. Bela ready. Bela, it's all you. It's locked in on you, Bela. Nice job, Will. Ayo. Y'all like your slow release. Bela, it's coming. Lino, you might have to help. Be ready.
Ooh, good try. Just for clear. Lino, keep him in front of you.
Mark. IO. Stay in the IO space. There you go. Riley, ready?
Yes. Thank you.
The kid makes the same fake every time. Stop falling for it. The exact same move. And that guy really likes his hammers. I love when other teams like to throw hammers. It makes it easier on them.
Who's on a box? They're killing it.
I've heard this song twice.
Yes, Riley.
Hey, no deep. Shake on.
Oh, yeah, George.
Yeah, George. Yeah.
Look at that rookie connection that's happening.
Up! Not in, not in!
Oh my goodness.
No, it was a little bit. Don't give him that credit. Let's go, Smoke! 1, 2, keep my hands away!
No deep.
Out there. Oh, that is just not the move. Oh, and he almost caught it anyway. Oh. I think he just got beat. Probably should have not been a foul. But I wasn't over there.
Yay.
Nah, never mind. Fritz threw it short.
Get down here!
You still have possession. You still have possession.
Does he?
Sink!
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Did you forget you're fucking 5'6"?
I think he just needs to spend a little more time.
Yeah, Will.
I don't know if he needs more time in the library or just to be told that he's not the tallest. It's all right.
It's fine.
I can jump that high. That's okay. I've seen Timmy try to make the same play and do the same thing before, but he's tall.
Yeah, usually I jump in the same spot, I just catch it.
No, I meant I've seen you also miss.
Yeah. You took your jacket off. He has the jacket on.
Good job, you three.
Hey, it's all right. That was the right idea.
Oh my God, Lino. Let's go. Hand block.
Not pivoting.
Bela pass. He'll get there. He'll get there. Just you got to remember he didn't touch the disc that much last year, so a lot of those things don't come naturally until you get the opportunity. George, ready? George. You're good. You're good. Look at Ollie right after you get that disc. Look straight to Ollie or Jace.
James, you.
Nice work.
Oh.
Happy solve us.
Ollie, what was that we talked about? Hey, you better send a chest IV to get it back here, Ollie.
Oh, the low light roast.
No break.
I'm more excited to make a low light.
Yeah, Jace. Yeah,
A
Jace.
lot of people are going to be out there a lot, dude.
Oh! Gotta get there, George.
Go, George! Go, George!
Yeah.
Yeah, your voice on that camera is going to be really funny. I'll
That
give him
counts
the
as
D
a D
reluctant.
for George. It's a D for him. Hey, he got enough pieces that someone didn't know how to read the Frisbee anymore.
pretty tough to read on his own. Hey, it's happening.
How much do you know about Gronk? You're gonna be our Gronk.
As soon as I call it.
Yeah.
Alright.
He was absolutely our Gronk.
CTEs.
Let's go.
If he would have committed to it, maybe.
How does he commit to one that he didn't need to do it and then not? He just needs to stop stuttering and slowing down and then jumping.
Dude, I don't know what it is.
It's a stutter, slow down, and then jump.
No, I know. I don't know why he, but like in his brain.
I know. Because he knows he's doing it wrong.
Yeah, he's talked about it. He can feel when he does it. Here you go, Jace. Now you're ready. Nice. Dude, Jace is locked in this game. I know he was. That drop really made him mad. Yeah, Jace. Yeah, Ollie.
Oh, yeah!
Hey, that's great work, Ollie and Jace.
I love that I can hear Jace all the way back.
And you're on him.
I was trying to orb on the camera.
No, she specifically turned it to me.
Why didn't I couldn't get that?
Better.
Why not slow?
You always think too much on your layup. Stop thinking, go.
I'm so happy with Ollie. You know what?
Yeah, because he. Well, I told him, like, I don't care if I'm open by half a step. Yeah, exactly. And Riley.
Oh, 6.7 hang time. Call one.
Drop it, stop two. Oh, he's telling me there? Stop two.
6.7
So did you get a D right there? I was watching.
He threw it into his own guy, I think.
Daylight! God, Ollie, God.
Oh, Gracie. You gotta get the angles right.
It gives me a pop-up that says you're moving too fast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Close to it? I used to like one stutter step.
Alex, big code.
I didn't even notice that. I think it's because like going through the and I try to like launch, and I like to make the launch.
They bite you.
That's awesome.
Good decision.
Oh, help him!
Daniel, go Daniel! Oh my God!
Ollie's on the way.
I know, that's you!
Wow.
Fritz, we're putting you down after that.
See it?
Oh, it's
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Oh.
He's fast and he's smart.
Oh, I'm in a Fritz.
Yeah!
Good coach, Alex. Almost there. Dude, Alex, you got that. You got that. Ah, good. Yes, Trevor, lock down. Lock down.
It might hurt me as much as it hurts you, and I don't even have torn glass.
I don't want to.
Bill, you're out now. You're out now.
I'm just like tear open my side.
Foot block him back. Good chicken. Bela, put. That's okay.
And I let Fritz to do it.
Got time. One more. Sorry.
Brad, that was good.
Out.
Good, Colin.
If that kid's gonna keep playing peel off defense, he doesn't want to be touched. He's gonna have a bad day. Yeah, Jace. Ollie ready. Ollie ready. Ollie ready for help. Ollie ready for help. We got nobody, Fritz. We got
Sorry, Micah. Sorry.
Yeah, we need a
You got the phasing! Hey, top here one, top here two. Okay. Tough now. Yeah, that's it. Up, bam, out. Oh, wait, what the fuck is that? Sorry, I was bad.
Fine, go deep. Fine, straight. Yes.
Quinn! Quinn!
To be fair, nice shot! Come on, Sean!
Will, you're next. Will, you're next. It's coming. You're good. You're good.
Nice, George.
With the under.
Yeah, you're good, Fritz. Yeah, George. Yeah, you're hot, George. Hot, George.
Fritz.
Watch it. Oh!
Go be Fritzy. You got time.
I got it.
I think it came in at the, or like it went out at the cones.
No, I'm flushing. You know what to do. Hey, Ollie, I'm flushing. Tyler's not. Wait. Hey, Timmy, you have some updates?
Ya Berni tiene el nene y ya la nena. Ya no estamos para la movie y la cadena. Estamos para las cosas que valen la pena. El perreo, la salsa,
Will.
George, you're a little too far off him.
There you go, George.
What?
On the break side. Open it, just throw it.
Yeah. Somebody cut. Good check. I like that. Yeah, Lino.
Yes, Quinn, keep going. Extend. Go. Now under.
No, if I'm there.
No, you go. Lino, go. There you go. Yes, Quinn. Good job.
That stresses me out.
Yeah, Riley. Good decision, Quinn. Around.
I stand by that throw to Quinn now.
Hey, see Riley. Throw B almost. Good George. Oh. Yeah, I never to get so hot before. Hey, button hook, Riley. Nice, Bela. Good cut.
Oh, look. Yeah, you can go in, Bela. You're good.
Go. Get there, Quinn.
Go.
Get there. Oh, you gotta keep it right.
That throw was still low. It's hurt.
I can't.
Jace ready.
Lift your legs higher than that?
I can't bend my knee.
Bailey, you're gonna be helped if needed.
I can't go higher than this.
That's weird. What, do you remember doing something?
Just like landing on stuff.
Ayo! All around!
Most times in the no round, especially when trapping, I've gotten stung 9.5.
Yeah.
Jace!
Go. Yeah, Quinn.
No round.
Riley.
Yes, Josh. We're waiting it open. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, Jack.
I just missed it.
Push up!
Oh, come on, guys. No round 6. Bayless. Oh, Bayless.
Hey, Wazoo! Come on, Will, get it back! Come on, Will!
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Jace ready?
I feel like you all
Riley, it's gonna be coming you next.
Ooh.
getting better. I can walk around.
Oh, Will, just eyes up. Riley, stay in the deep, stay in the deep, stay in the deep. He wants it, Riley. Get it, Fritz! Yeah! That should be Fritz's deep, by the way. Okay.
Watch deep!
Yes, top! Now under top!
Run, Will, run!
Relax!
I love it.
I thought he was about to rip it.
I wasn't sure.
That is unreal.
Agreed, whoever said that.
Go, keep going.
That was a...
If you would have ran it down after we missed, I would have given it a throw. It was top.
Let's throw it.
If he had run under it, it was there. He jumped into running. I don't know.
Yeah, it was not a good throw either.
Was it from
This was
top?
bad. No, it was from Riley.
Oh, from Riley to top. Ayo, Ollie! Ayo, Ollie! Riley, it's going! Up! Left! Go to it!
Yeah, Riley! Hey, Riley! Hey, Jason, back!
Good decision, Ollie. Good job.
End zone! End zone!
End zone on Will.
So fun.
That'll work.
Woohoo!
Here we go, boys. We got there in the back. I think they literally played that perfectly against that.
Yeah.
Like, I thought they were going to hit it.
Yeah, they did what they're supposed to. They did a good job on it.
Oh, it's cold.
Good.
Who's on the pool?
Pretty good. Just playing some Frisbee, having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Hot out here. It feels like summer.
Yeah, no, that is.
Go to it. Why did we have Bela on one of their best players?
Bro.
George! Away! Up!
Yeah. Keep going, Quinn. Ollie, figure it out. Yes, George, good job. Good spot. Yes, Quinn! That's a great cut, Quinn! Yes!
Yeah. Oh, good team. Good team.
Here we go, Jace. Fat layout coming. Come on, baby. Too strong.
Right out! Right out! Four. Still one. Still two.
Now, no break. No round. Absolutely nothing to your right hand.
No round, Bailey. No round. No round. No round.
Oh.
I got it.
Will, go. Keep going. Will, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Yes!
Oh! Intimidate!
Alright, dude, that makes me so fucking angry, Timmy. He's fine, he's just being a baby right now. It's Will, he's fine.
Good.
All right.
Hey, two.
Years ago, in club, I said, okay. Gotta go, Bela! Bela's tired. Bela, 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 Bela.
Bela, go compete for that. What's the fours? What's the fours?
Chase ready.
Hey, we're back here. Bela, we're back here. There you go. Hey, Frisbee. Hey, I love the hustle, Quill.
It was maybe. I couldn't see it. I think it was. There's too many guys in the way.
On it.
Give me something.
Go around.
Dang it.
Then we can say there is absolute zero reason any of this going. They're not in the wrong position. Nice. Yes, Lino. Now big under, Lino. Big under. Good job, Cannon.
Nice.
Relax. Yeah, Lino. You can relax a little. Ollie, I don't think they know they're forced.
Yeah.
Ollie, look, Ollie.
Hold the board! Hold the board! Nice job, nice D!
Oh.
Bela, out! Hey, turnover! Hey, let's like get up in the air. I know, that's what I'm saying.
Footballs are so much heavier.
Yeah, Quinn.
Go, Danny! Go! Go two! Yes!
Hey, go! Hey, go! Chili!
Oh my God.
George!
That's a break!
Oh my God, how did George do it?
It's a break!
Wow.
It absolutely does. I was gonna put Quinn out there, but Quinn is
Go boys, get the D! Come on! Yeah, no. He's like, dude, I don't know what happened. I saw it go up, but I thought it didn't come out. I was like,
sink.
Riley!
Yeah.
Nope. Just kept going. Since Fritz didn't recognize the win.
Now back under, Sink. You gotta bring him under.
Damn.
What just happened? Fritz throw away?
I don't know. Let's see what I
Jace.
Yeah.
Come on, Jace. Gotta make this play right here.
Damn.
he just spiked it just on the side. Not that guy.
Hey, give me
I got it. Ooh! Hump! Away!
I think it was crazy.
Yeah!
Woo!
That is not a good decision.
Dude, that kid's gonna make me angry because he's kind of coaching the dangerous ass spaces.
I know, he's the guy that's
Back in! I want to play 1 point and 1 point so bad. Alright, you want me to do it? Yeah. I played him with the guy that was you're a hot kid. And he always liked that. He was like, you're a hot Jace.
Oh my God! Go, Jace! Go! Get off! Oh!
Good switch!
Yeah, great job, you two!
Oh! Damn it!
Yeah!
You of all people, I think, would practice cardio.
Yeah.
Nice!
Oliver, you're hot. Oliver, you're hot. Alex, hot. Alex, hot.
Not very far. Not compared to like, yeah, when,
Alex, you're hot.
Yeah!
Yeah!